everyone, and Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, or just Happy Holidays. So today I'm just posting something a little bit different. I saw, yes, hello. I saw, stop it. I saw this, not this, this outfit on Instagram when I was scrolling through my Explore page. And I really loved it. So I clicked on the links. The shirt and the skirt were both from Zara. However, they were from the European website. And of course, I didn't have that in stock in Australia at the moment because we're different seasons. So I thought I would try and make it myself. So obviously I wasn't going to make the shirt, but I did make the skirt and the little feathery cuffs for the shirt. So come along with me, see how I made it. I am no expert in sewing whatsoever, but I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. So yeah, thanks. So this is what I ended up getting. I got like this feather boa, about 1 meter of that. I got a invisible zip, just in the same kind of green. And I got this really, it's stretchy, but it's like a nice thick material. I've forgotten what it's called. This is what I'm going to use to make the skirt. So this is what I have at the moment. We've sewn this side together and just finished that top bit off. So this is still open here. You can see there's the stitch there. And we haven't done the bottom or the slit yet. So I will be adding in this zip. So I'm going to be pinning that here before stitching it on. Okay, so I now have the zip pinned in on the side. We're going to sew that. Alright, so this is it so far. We've got the top there. I have sewn the zip in on the side and sewn the rest of the skirt together. So the zip there. Again, I have not had much practice with zips, so it doesn't look amazing for an invisible zipper because you can kind of see it, but I think I did a lot better than the last time I did one. Don't mind that thread, that'll get cut off. So now I want to put a little slit here so this fabric doesn't fray. So I'm just going to cut a straight line up here and then hem or fold over each side and sew it. And then I'm just going to do a hem around the bottom. So as you can see, it is slightly shorter in the back, especially from this side, but that's probably just the length I want it to be. So I'll barely hem the back and I'll take the front up to be about there. And then we'll be done. So I've just pinned the hem at the bottom. You can see all the pins along here. Because I've got that raw edge of the fabric that's already sewn, I don't really need to fold it over again. So I'm just going to do that once. And we've done our split here too. So this will be the last thing. So what I've done here is I've just cut a rectangle of fabric. It was 13 by 19 centimeters. So enough to wrap around my arm. And then obviously the length is really whatever you want it to be. I've then just cut this strip of boa to be the length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this across the middle and then we'll wrap them together kind of to make cuffs, just like the outfit. Because I don't want to sew these directly onto a shirt because I don't want to permanently do that to a shirt, I suppose. So I'm just making them cuffs so then I can put them over anything. All right, so I've just done the edges. I'm not even worried about that because you're not going to see it. It's going to be covered in feather anyway. So Now I'm just going to sew the feather to the middle here. I'm just going to do 3 stitches this way to secure it. So this is all sewn on now, as you can see. That's the back there. Again, I don't care about how messy this is going to look. So I'm now just going to join that together, and then that will be our cuff. And there's the finished cuff. So I'll show you here. There you go, just pop your hand in there. So I'm going to just put everything together and show you how it all turned out. And this is it. I'm quite happy with how it turned out, actually. I think it's really cute. Like I said, because these are just little cuffs, you can put them on any kind of shirt. So I might adjust this shirt for the look I want, or I might see if I can find a more fitted shirt, I guess, for what I was going for. But no, I'm super happy with it. And there we go. So that's the finished look. I've popped the cuffs onto this... Frank, that's my little dog. He's trying to play with the cuffs. Here, come. What's this? Ooh, what's this? So anyway, that is the final look. That's the skirt completed. Back and the cuffs, like I said. I might look for a better fitted shirt or something, or even alter this one, but I love the removable cuffs. Nothing really falls off of these because you have secured them on, so you shouldn't be worried about any feathers going missing, unless obviously you're pulling them off and like leaving feathers just everywhere you go. So that's it for my video. And this was the little weenie. You said goodbye, everybody. Bye.